Hello there, my name is Amin, EMCsoft, and in this video I want to show you how you can put a picture of products in your document. By document I mean invoice, code, contract, or any other document you use for your customers. So for example, I got deal. Inside of a deal I got products, and each product got a picture, and that pictures I uploaded inside of a product as a more picture field, right? And when I'm going back, I'm generating document and clicking on document I'm going to generate. I'm generating, that's it. So I got when I generated PDF. So inside of PDF I see that I got a standard document which I showed in my previous video, like name and description, but also I got a picture. How to achieve that? You need to do only one thing. Inside of a template, so we got a template and inside of a template you need to add a column with a picture, and inside of a picture you need to go to click on the picture. When I'm saying that you need to add a picture, you can add just any picture you want. Here I added our logo. So then you need to go for picture format. After that you need to go to alt text, and in alt text you will see that box, and in that box you need to put product property more photo. So this means this exact fields more pictures field, but you need to get a property means the picture itself. And once you add in that, it will generate document with pictures of your products, right? In other words, to be in more detail, if you go to the, as I showed in my previous video, to the templates, to the fields, and if you put that placeholder, you'll see that you got products, product, more pictures. So that means that inside of the deal, go to the products, all products, on each product go to the more pictures and get a property of that picture, right? But probably don't need to know that too deeply that technically, but just need to remember that you need to use that placeholder for pictures which uploaded to the more pictures, right? So I can edit my template, uploaded that template, and then it's very important to use active. Means that that template should be active. You need to see from the list, and you need to select with signature and stamp. So this is very important, and that item will be available for products and service, doesn't matter. And then that template should be available to the company, contact, deal, funnel general, deal, funnel ticket 24, and leads. For all employees, or just one employee, or several employees. And then you need to set up some numbering here, or bind to the country. So for numbering, you need to configure it and set up these numbers which generated automatically inside of a document. Right. So when I generate a document, test template, create new. Right, so we generated. And also in that video, I want to give you some life hacks, which I didn't mention in my previous video. If you click when you generated pictures, we're using that placeholder, you're able to edit template itself. For example, you forget to put something here, you can just change the more pictures. Just change column name, more pictures, and when you're clicking on edit template, upload new, select from computer, upload that template, make that settings and save. So we need to close it, update, refresh your page, and generate document again, create new. So you see that our column name is now different. Also, if you see that in my document I got a lot of data which getting data from fields inside of a deal, but for some reason that that field is empty, so it's kind of time consuming. Close that document, go to the deals, put data inside of the fields, and then generate a document again. So you can go use to easier way. Click just edit document and put here missing data like EMCsoft, what ID, fax number, and put street address, and the rest data. So you can change the name of a client, by the way, and the rest. So if you click save, it will regenerate a document with new data you entered. Right. So you see that new data, it's right here. Right. So short video, but very important to know how to implement pictures. So enjoying generating documents. If you like that video, click like. If you got a questions regarding that video, ask your questions in comments under that video. And shortly we will start our training course for Bitrix24 administrators. And if you like to be part of that course, send your contact details directly to us, or just put in comments under the video. So thank you and bye bye.